Alright guys, quick update. The second car is done. This is the one of the two that are going to be in the middle. The other one is currently being assembled. And then once that's assembled, we'll do test runs with it. And the next step will be painting. But coming along decently, I would say. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. There's obviously some stuff that's not perfect, but no big deal. And then we'll get on to painting. The front will get lights. I still haven't figured out if or how I want to do lighting in this yet. I might just put it in there and just hook it up to track power permanently and not worry about it. But that might be the easy way, but good progress. Okay, I finally found it. This tank car is going to be the one that I'm going to modify because it's an older Blue Box kit and fits better with everything. Plus, it being Union Pacific already, we won't have to rename. But we're going to modify that into the tank car that this train uses for water and for cooling track and putting out fires, which is what these little nozzles are for here by the trucks. And these are all sprayers on the sides of the handrails for that same reason. So that's going to be what it's going to look like, except, one more of those. We're getting there. Alright guys, update again here. So these are painted, they are basic weathered. I think they look pretty decent now. We have the four main ones, remember these are all 3D printed, taken care of. I like the way these are coming out. I forgot to put a piece on the front here, and so that's why that's still gray. I just glued that on and I need to paint it. This cab is not attached yet either. I will have to do that later because I need to put windows in it and other stuff like that. But overall, coming out pretty decent. I might add some more decals just to add to the realism. You can see on the actual powered unit here how that looks. I like the weathering that I did. I think that came out pretty decent. And yeah, overall not too bad. I'm happy with how this is looking. Next step is to obviously paint that. Alright, get windows in. And then lights for sure going on the front one. I haven't decided what I want to do yet for lights for the back one. I still might actually just go ahead and light that and might just wire it up to the trucks. I haven't decided if that's what I want to do yet or even bother with it or not. So that's kind of the current plan. That's kind of how that's looking, and we'll keep going from there. I still need to work on the tank car that goes with this, but we'll get there.